Regular cleaning is essential to ensure optimal performance and longevity of your MAXIMO machine. The machine offers 4 types of cleaning methods based on usage and need. The options are quick clean, deep clean, auto clean, and descaling. The process of how this is done will be explained on this video. Before we start, please note that all the liquid coming out of the machine might be hot. Handle with caution to prevent spills and burns. Now let's start with quick cleaning. Quick cleaning is used between brewing milk-based beverages to remove leftover milk residue. It is recommended that you run the quick cleaning process before brewing milk-based drink to ensure that the milk spout is clean. You can start quick clean via the NOD app or directly on the machine's knob like as shown on this video. Before you start quick cleaning, please ensure you have the small drip tray installed on the machine, or you need to put an empty container to catch the wastewater from the machine. During quick cleaning process, 30 ml of water will be drawn from the water tank, passing through the milk jug and then out of the milk spout. This process removes milk residue after each drink to prevent buildup. Once the quick cleaning process is done, remove the wastewater and you are ready to go with brewing your next beverage. Deep clean. For deep cleaning, it is best used after heavy usage of making milk-based beverages and/or at the end of the day to thoroughly clean your machine. You can start deep cleaning via the NOD app or on the knob, as shown on the video. Before you start deep cleaning, please ensure you have the small drip tray installed on the machine, or you need to put an empty container that can contain about 250 ml of water to catch the wastewater from the machine. During deep cleaning process, 150 ml of water will be drawn from the water tank and pass through the milk jug and milk spout. Additionally, 100 ml of water will pass through the water spout. This method ensures that both the milk system and water system are thoroughly cleaned. Once the deep cleaning process is done, remove the wastewater from the drip trays, clean your milk jug and thoroughly wipe your machine and the capsule drawer to remove possible milk residue on the machine body. Your machine will be clean and ready to be left on sleep mode after idle for 10 minutes. Descaling is essential to remove the buildup of lime scale, which can affect the machine's performance and the taste of your drinks. It is recommended to descale the machine every 100 capsules. The machine will remind you when it's time to descale, or you can manually start the descaling process from the NOD app or on the machine as shown on this video. To do the descaling process, please use the NOD descaling kit, which includes a descaling agent and a descaling jug. Before we start, prepare your working area by placing a tray or towel beneath the machine in case of spills. As for your safety, it is important to note that the descaling agent is acidic, so avoid contact with the skin and eyes. Also, please note that all the liquid coming out of the machine might be hot. Handle with caution to prevent spills and burns. This descaling process might take about 35 minutes. Please ensure you have spared enough time to run this process though, as this process can't be stopped before completion. The descaling process is divided into 6 steps. The first step is the cooling down process. Please follow the instructions pointed out on the machine to empty the capsule drawer and to place an empty jug under the brew head. The machine will release about 300 ml of water to the jug, 150 ml of water from the brew head and 150 ml of water from the milk spout. Once the cycle is complete, empty the jug. Second, we will run through the first descaling act. Before we start, please fill the water tank with clean water and add the descaling agent to it. Stir well until all the descaling agent dissolved on the water. Once ready, install the water tank back on the machine and place an empty descaling jug under the brew head. The machine will release about 500 ml of water to the descaling jug and the milk jug. Once the cycle is complete, empty the jug. Third, without doing anything to the water tank, repeat the previous process with another empty jug, allowing the machine to flush out any remaining descaling solution. Once the cycle is complete, empty the jug and the water tank. Rinse well with running clean water. Fourth, we will continue into the rinsing process. Follow the instructions pointed out on the machine. Fill the water tank full with clean water. Place an empty jug under the brew head. The machine will start rinsing. Expect about 500 milliliters of water to come out of the machine. Once the cycle is complete, empty the jug. Fifth, place the empty jug under the brew head and repeat the previous rinsing process. Empty this jug once the cycle is done. Sixth, it is the final rinsing process. Place the empty jug under the brew head and repeat the previous rinsing process. Let some water released from the machine. Once finished, remove all the machine parts, such as capsule drawer, milk jug, water tank, and drip trays. Rinse them thoroughly under running water. Pat dry and reinstall them to the machine, and your personal barista is ready to serve you with more awesome drinks.